Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Bremer Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a bremerbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Bremer Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the corner. You click on it. Here you will see the login form page where first of all you need to select your account type by clicking on the drop down menu. Then you go in for selecting the online system. After you are done, you need to click on login. Now here at the sign in page, you need to go in for providing the user ID. After you provide the user ID, you need to click on continue. Then you need to provide your password. Then click on continue where you will be directly logged in into your online banking account of Bremer Bank. Just in case if you forgot your user ID of the online banking account of Bremer Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot your user ID. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your user ID. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Bremer Bank. Thank you.